Hello everyone, this is Steve from Juggled Up. Today I wanted to do this quick video to explain the Higgins Brothers HB juggling balls. These juggling balls are great for beginners, casual jugglers doing 3-ball juggling, and also intermediate or advanced jugglers who are looking for a little bit of an upgrade over the standard smaller 120 gram juggling balls. These ones weigh 130 grams, which gives them a nice weighty feel, but not too heavy. This is a really good weight. They're also 65 millimeters in diameter, which is, a really great size. They're filled with millet, and their feel, I would describe them as squishy and soft. You'll notice the colors. They are very vibrant colors, shiny material on the 4 panels. Each ball does have one of these Higgins Brothers holographic stickers on it, but that could be easily taken off. It comes right off if you don't want it on there, or you can leave it on. And you'll see that little sticker says they are made in Canada. So these are stitched up in Canada, very good seams. These juggling balls will really last you. Now, as far as the colors, this is just one example. The red, yellow, green, white, 4-panel colors. But there's over 20 colors available on juggledup.com. And they come in white, black, solid color themes, and mixed colored themes like this. What I would say about these is they're really squishy and soft so that they don't really need to be broken in. They're great from day one to juggle. They have a nice soft feel, which does make them perfect for beginners, but the weight is also great for more intermediate jugglers. And between the weight, the diameter, and the color and the stitching, these really are nice, quite nice juggling balls that are a bit of an upgrade from your very standard basic juggling balls. So go over to juggledup.com and check them out.